Most adults suffer from...
Coulrophobia.
Ooh, say it again now?
Coulrophobia.
That's a fun word, folks. Alright, here we go. Yeah! Alright, spin again. Yeah! Spin again. Let's try going the other way. Yeah! So coulrophobia is essentially the fear of clowns, which I completely understand because I am a baby of the 80s and 90s, which essentially meant it, which sucks because it has come full circle. So with all the scary clowns in the world, and with it being Halloween, and with myself suffering a little bit of the coulrophobia, I thought, why buy into it? Why force myself to do a scary clown that I'm probably going to have nightmares about later? So I decided to do something a little bit different. And being a lover of things, you know, funky and fashionable, I thought, why not do like something like high fashion? Maybe a little editorial. So as you can see, my hair is in curlers. I actually spun the wheel last night and then came up with a game plan. I originally was starting to build prostheses and was just kind of gonna go, you know, full on like psycho killer clown. Qu'est-ce. But I didn't because I didn't want to suffer adult clown nightmares. I have a couple blemishes. Sue me. In general, I'm just going to be doing an all-over foundation. Today I'm going to be using Maybelline Fitme in 115 Ivory. Ooh. Now I'm going to go in with Tarte's Shape Tape in Light Sand. I've actually never used this before, but everybody and their mom uses this on these YouTube videos. Now I'm going to set everything with powder. I mean, maybe for like a normal makeup look, but right now I'm kind of going a little heavy, so as you can tell by my like weird makeup eyes. You know when you touch your eye too much in makeup and you're like, I'm cool. Ridiculously pale. Check. Toy's like, one eye goes good and the other eye's like, bleh. I have to remember to keep telling myself, you're a clown, go heavy, it's okay. For blush, I'm going in with the Ben Nye Powder Rouge palette. I'm going to be using Coral. Brush to lay the yellow over it so I don't ruin my good brush. Alright, so I laid the basic yellow down, which is from a really cheap palette that I bought on eBay, I don't even know how many years ago, and I probably should not be using it, but I do all the time. So I did the yellow, and now I'm just going to go back in with a little bit of a deeper yellow, just to get a little bit of a definition in the crease. It's like more of a mustard. Now I'm gonna go in with like a little bit of an orange, once again just to increase that depth. I'm now going to line my eyes with my all-time favorite, which is Physicians Formula. And I'm going to be doing this in Ultra Black, which is like Raven Black. It's dark. Raven Black. Okay, I've lined my eyes, I put my yellow down, I put my cheeks down. Now I'm going to put some, I'm going to glue some rhinestones down before doing a couple other finishing touches. Welcome back. So as you can see, some changes have been made. All the rhinestones that I'm going to use are on. My hair was ready and set in the curler, so I took it out and zhuzhed it. I'm also wearing a little adorable little crown because it was just easier to put it in while I was doing my hair. Alright, so now we're just going to do the last final touches. So I'm going to be highlighting using City Colors Glow Pro Stellar Iridescent Highlight in Nebula. Ooh. Can you see you? It's pretty fudgy and awesome. I just got it in my Ipsy bag, and it's spectacular. Oh, that's so pretty. Yeah, who needs glitter when you have this stuff? This stuff's great. I just want to cover my whole effing face in it. But I'm not going to. I'm going to show a little bit of restraint. So for this blue lipstick, I'm going to be using, I don't know what the color is actually, Dazed by Tattoo Junkie. And it's a lip paint in Dazed. Multi-talented, what can I say? Alright, so for the most part, the makeup is done. Ooh. Okay, yeah, so I guess it's pretty much just time to put on the finishing touches, put on my outfit, and see the final product. Happy Halloween.